Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco M6 4G. For that you will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in the box you will find another little yellow box here, and if you open this one you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And under the SIM tray you will find a little hole there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card. Also, if you want a second SIM card or a micro SD card in case if you want to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add now also a second SIM card. This is optional and requires the last position. This is how it should look like then if you want to enter a second SIM card. It has also a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, in case if you want to extend the internal storage, you can use a micro SD card, but then you have to decide between a second SIM or a micro SD card, because the micro SD card needs here the last position. Okay, let's place now the micro SD card. Let me show you how this looks like. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, after you can put back your SIM tray into the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.